awareness to the needs of yourself, and that also makes you aware more of the needs of others, where you can naturally fulfill just by being the healer inside of you without a name, because you're continuously healing yourself, your immune system. And you'll notice as you see this, not by an ego, the more positive attitude that you have, the more you're going to be able to heal faster. And we do have a request here. Can I please get a reading about love, interest?
Okay, so the thing is right there, love, interest. If you look at the way it's worded, you can see that there, can I get a reading, please? Okay, that's nice. It's worded nice. How does my love interest currently feel about me? Well, the thing is, you already know how you feel. You got a blank card, and the blank card is to teach you that anything that you're lying about inside yourself or trying to become, you cannot become it unless you let go of it. So you have a little bit of broken things since you've been younger, and there's a little bit to do with dad, mom, a relation. There's a lot of things there. So you do have a blank card, which is amazing. And then from there, you have Kuan Yin, which is the goddess of passion. Now, one of the biggest things, it doesn't matter what religion you are, mantras are very big in your life because it's a constant repetition of something playing. So a lot of gurus give mantras, and you also have reliever of obstacles, which is Ganesh. So you have an interest, but you need to really balance out the want of the love.
So, it doesn't matter how the meeting was for this love. What matters most for you, because these cards show that there can be so much love and so much growth when you express truly what you want. You are completely honest, and you'll receive that reciprocated in the other person. And it seems like there's a lot of virtual, but there's strong feelings both ways. So the more open you are with yourself, the more open someone else can be, and the progression of it can be a very good union, but that really just depends on how truthful you are.
Yes, and we're never telling people you're lying or anything else. We just have to be right to the point for you to really rehabilitate what is needed, and that love is always inside you. It never left
Always.
you. If you go to express it or try to describe it, you lose the true meaning of it. It will take you on a wild goose chase. Sometimes it can get sexual, sometimes it could be this, sometimes it could be that. And you got to learn balance inside of it and a way. And your last card is hear no evil. So you want to cleanse yourself and your ears from everything you ever heard, because that's a little effect. Now we have someone else. Um, who's the next one?
Vanessa said hello. Hello.
Vanessa, hello. Vanessa, or anybody else. Are you anybody willing? Because when we're giving the reading, we're all getting healed. And it doesn't matter if you're going through it or not. It actually helps your morphic field clear, which gives you something. So, Vanessa or anybody else, would someone want to go on video, but your video has to be seen on our end in order to invite you? Or you can send us a request. Anybody want to come out? We got a protection card there. There's a lot of things on this line that need a lot of protection. Anybody here wants anything, once you get on video, you help other people heal because